Right guys, in this video we are going to discuss few more numerical questions on losses and efficiency. Let's see. A single phase transformer when supplied from 220 volts and 50 Hz, 220 volts 50 Hz, its eddy current losses given as 50 watts. Eddy current losses given as 50 watts. If the transformer is connected to 330 volts 50 Hz, 330 volts 50 Hz, then the eddy current losses will be, let's see here, the V by F ratio is not constant because only voltage changes, but there is no change in frequency. So when the V by F ratio not constant, ultimately eddy current loss is directly proportional to V square. So W2 by W1 is equals to V2 square by V1 square. What is W2? We need to calculate. W1 is the 50 watts. V2 is the second voltage, that is 330 volts. 330 volts square upon 220 volts square. 220 volts square. So 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 11 2s are, 11 3s are, 11 3s are, 11 2s are. Yes or no guys? So W2 is equals to 50 into 9 by 4, which is nothing but 450 by 4. 450 by 4, which is nothing but 112.5. 112.5 watts is your answer. 112.5 watts is your answer. A simple question. Let's see in the next question. Next question. In a power transformer, the core loss is 50 watts. The core loss is 50 watts at 40 Hz. Iron losses is equals to 50 watts at 40 Hz of supply frequency. And core loss of 100 watts at 60 Hz. 100 watts at 60 Hz. Then the core loss at 50 Hz. Core loss at 50 Hz. 50 Hz supply frequency. What will be the core losses? This is your question. Yes, what we know? AF plus B into F square is equals to 50. Next AF plus B into F square. B into F square is equals to 100 watts. F is the 40 Hz, here F is the 60 Hz. We need to solve these two equations. So how we can solve these two equations? Let's see. This will be multiplied by, or this will be multiplied by how much? 6 by 4. If this is multiplied by 6 by 4, 4 cancel, they will get 60, right? So 6 by 4 multiplied with 6 by 4 or 3 by 2, of course. So the answer is A into 60 plus B into 1600 into 6 by 4. 4 ones are 400s are, 4 2s are 24, sorry, 6 4s are 24. 50 into 6 by 4. 50 into 6 by 4. 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 25s are. So 75. So try to solve these two. Try to solve these two equations. Here minus, these two gets cancelled. B into 1200 and 25. So B is equals to 25 by 1200. 25 by 1200. 25 ones, 25 fours and 25 eights. 25 fours are 100. If you cancel 100, again 20 is there. 25 eights. You will get the answer. That is B. Now substitute here. A into 40 plus B into A into 40 plus B. B is 25 by 1200 25 by 1200 into 1600 is equals to 50. So these two gets cancelled. 4 4s are 4 3s are 4 4s are 4 3s are. So A into 40 is equals to 50 minus 100 by 3. 25 4s are 100, 100 by 3. So 100 by 3 nothing but 50 by 3 will come here, right? So 150 minus 100, 150 minus 100 is the 50, 50 by 3 will come here. So 50 by 3. So then A is equals to how much? A is equals to 50 by 3 into 40. 50 by 3 into 40. Otherwise 5 by 12. 5 by 12. This is A and B. Now at 50 hedges core losses will be. At 50 hedges core losses will be Wi is equals to AF plus BF square. What is A? A is 50 by 120 into 50 plus B. B is 25 by 1200 into 50 square. 50 square. So 0 0 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. So the LCM is 12. 12 is there, 12 is there. That's why I taken like that. So LCM is 12. This is 250 plus this is 625. 250 plus 625. 875. So the iron losses is equals to 875 out of 12. 12 ones are 12 sevens are 84. 84, 35, almost 12 threes are, almost 12 threes are. So approximately the answer is 73 watts. Approximately, not exactly. Actually the answer is 72 point something, but approximately the answer is 73 watts. This is the question. This like a questions are important for AE level. They may not ask you for diploma level, they will try to ask you for BE, BTech level competitive examinations because lengthy. Actually this is easy question, but it takes some time for calculations. Let's see in the next video. Next slide. What is the question? In a normal operation, 400 volts 50 hertz, 400 volts 50 hertz, the total iron losses are 2500 watts. Total iron losses are 2500 watts. When the supply voltage and frequencies are gross reduced to 200 volts and 25 hertz, voltage and frequencies are halved. When voltage and frequencies are halved, V by F ratio is constant. V by F ratio is constant. Okay. So what happens, sir? Respectively, the corresponding loss is 850 watts. Here also they given losses 850 watts. The eddy current loss at normal voltage, at 400 voltage, the eddy current losses they are asking. So here we need to calculate B. Just B is enough. No need to calculate A. So what is first answer? The iron losses is equals to AF plus BF square. AF plus BF square. BF square. What about this one? Same, 850 watts is equals to AF plus BF square. AF plus BF square. BF square. Simply, the equation 1 is as usual. Equation 1 is as usual. What about equation 2? Just multiplied with 2. Equation 2 multiplied with 2. Here. So 850, 1700. And A into 50 will come here because of 2 multiplied by 2, and this will come here 1250. So take it, this is gets cancelled because I need B, that's why I am cancelling A. So here almost 800 is equals to B into 1250. So B is equals to 800 by 1250. Just keep it like this. Otherwise 80 by 125. Now we need eddy current losses at 400 volts 50 hertz. At 400 volts 50 hertz eddy current loss. Yes, can you tell me? At 400 volts 50 hertz, BF square. BF square. What is B? 80 by 125, f square. What is f square? 50 into 50. 50 into 50. 5 tens are, 5 25s are, 5 tens are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So the answer is 800 2 times. 800 2 times nothing but 1600. 1600 will be your answer. 1600 will be your answer. So like the number of questions on power or whatever eddy current, hysteresis, losses and efficiency. Let's see this question. Let's see this question. The maximum efficiency for a transformer occurs at 80% of full load. So X is equal to square root of iron losses by full load copper losses. Iron losses by full load copper losses is equals to 80%. Is equals to 80%, they given. Its core losses is PE, ohmic losses is POH. For this, the ratio of PE to POH. Here, core losses nothing but iron losses and ohmic losses nothing but copper losses is equals to 8 by 10. But they need this ratio of PE by POH. Square on both sides. If you square on both sides, what you will get? This is 64 and this will be 100. So its ratio is 0.64. Its ratio is 0.64. This will be your answer, sixth one. This will be your answer. A simple